alternative optimal solution. Here you will get an extra optimal solution too. Let us understand this using an example. Here A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. The matrix is 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2. The steps are similar. 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2. This is the matrix. First step is row minimization. Subtract row minimum from all elements of each row. First row minimum is 1. Subtract 1 from 1, 4, 5. Second row minimum is 2. Subtract 2 from 2, 3, 4. Last row minimum is 1. Subtract 1 from 3, 1, 2. Row wise minimization over. Now as usual column wise minimization. First column minimum is 0, no need of any minimization. Second column also minimum is 0. Last column minimum is 1. Subtract 1 from 4, 2, 1. Okay, row wise minimization over, column wise minimization over. Next step is drawing minimum number of lines to cover all zeros. Using minimum lines we are covering all zeros. Here 2 zeros are there. I am covering those 2 zeros by single line. Here also 2 zeros are there. So drawing lines over. Within 2 lines we have covered all zeros. Within 2 lines we have covered all zeros. Number of lines is less than number of columns. Okay, this is not equal to number of columns. Minimum number of lines to cover all zeros not equal to number of columns or number of rows. So this is not our final matrix. Number of lines 2, number of columns 3. So this is not our final matrix. We have to rearrange it. For rearranging, the steps are similar. Taking minimum element from outside the lines. These 2 lines, the outside elements are 3, 3, 1, 1. The minimum element is 1. Subtract 1 from 3, 3, 1, 1. That is, subtract 1 from these outside elements. What was next step? Adding this 1 at the intersection of lines. Here only one intersection. So here 2 plus 1 will come. At the intersection we will add. Outside element we will subtract 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1. The elements on the line will not be changed. Okay, let us start. Let us rearrange the matrix. 0, 0 will not change because they are on the line. This 2 will change because 2 is at the intersection. 2 will become 2 plus 1, 3. This 0, 0 will not change because they are on the line. This 1 will become outside elements from this subtract 1. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. So this is a new matrix. New matrix. Let us repeat the same steps, that is drawing minimum number of lines. Draw minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros. Again, if we are getting number of lines not equal to number of columns or rows, we have to repeat the same step. We will draw minimum number of lines to cover the zeros. Then we will subtract the minimum element from outside elements. We will add the minimum element at the intersection. So let us check. Let us cover all the zeros with minimum number of lines. Here 3 zeros are there. I am covering with single line. Now I cannot cover these 3 zeros within a line. I have to use 2 separate lines only. So number of lines equal to 1, 2, 3. Number of columns equal to 3. So number of lines, minimum number of lines to cover all the zeros equal to number of columns or number of rows. So we have reached the final matrix.